Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Now the last time that I left you with Dogecoin is the following, where we talked about the fib retracements. So right now you're retracing down with the fib retracement, and basically the first thing is that you came up here, made a little bit of that distribution right there. From this distribution you can see that there's a little bit of, we can say, an ascending head and shoulders, which is the left shoulder here, head, and the right shoulder right there. And from here to here you do have this little bit of a pattern that actually broke out of, and one can say that you're looking for a technical target to go from there to there, which you haven't really met, and we're looking for 8909, which you haven't really met. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the following, that since you're looking to come down near this level here at the 8852, then all you did is at the moment went to the downside, went up, back tested this level, and got your head hit at the 0.236, and then from there it can actually be a fall all the way to 0.382, and then from there move all the way down to this particular price level. Now the main thing that I want to talk about is if you can actually come down and lose the 0.618, lose 0.618, crash this level, close below it just the way you're doing here, like lose the 0.236 and backtest and hit your head there and move lower. I want to see the very same scenario, and that is move down like this, backtest here, and then fail at the 0.618, create that reversal wave, and then you're looking for that move all the way to 0.05460, which has been my technical target, by the way, for quite a while now. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.